everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Glenn, your beauty consultant. I have a lot in store for you guys here in my channel. Kaya panoorin itong video para malaman niyo kung ano yung mga future vlogs ko dito sa YouTube. So, before that, please subscribe dito sa channel ko. And without any further ado, please watch this video. Thank you. See you. Hi. Once again, I'm Glenn, and before I talk about my channel, please watch the making of my makeup studio para di naman kayo ma-bored while I'm talking about the topics that you're going to see on my future vlogs here in YouTube. So marami tayong pag-uusapan tutorial dito in this world of beauty. Mainly the topics are makeup, hair, and skin. Under ng makeup, we have basic makeup. Ito yung mga usual makeup na nakikita nyo everyday. The next, we have advanced makeup like the runway makeup for sa mga fashion show, stage makeup, and a lot more. Airbrush, which is very in demand here in the Philippines. Prosthetics, and also we have body painting. So under ng basic makeup, merong eyebrows, contouring, different looks like no makeup look, day makeup, and evening makeup. Aside from that, meron din tayong retro makeup like the 50s, 60s, 70s, up to the present trend of makeup. And then of course, we had tutorial makeup about different kinds of bridal makeup, which is I'm sure you'll be interested to know more about this. And then we also gonna be learning the color wheel, which is very important for the makeup artists to know. So, abangan niya sa ating future na vlogging dito sa YouTube. Next, we have the advanced makeup. Here in advanced makeup, you are going to learn how to do the photography makeup, black and white photography, runway makeup, which is very useful on fashion shows. And talking about fashion shows, you are going to learn how to do the high fashion makeup as well. We have also avant-garde, which is I personally enjoy doing this. Aside from these topics I mentioned, well, marami pa kayong matututunang iba't iba about sa advanced makeup, which is very enjoyable pag ginawa nyo ito. So, better stick around. Next, we have airbrush, which is very in-demand kind of makeup here in the Philippines, especially on weddings, on bridal makeups. I'm going to teach you and show you the proper uses of techniques of doing airbrush makeup. Not only the basic ones, but also the advanced knowledge of doing airbrush makeup. Marami yon, hindi lang blush or foundation lang. So better be sure to watch those videos here in my channel. Sunod naman is prosthetic makeup. I'm sure that a lot of you out there wants to learn how to do the prosthetic makeup, even just the basic ones. Well, here, I'll be showing you few techniques in doing that. Here, we'll be guesting prosthetic makeup artists that will teach you how to do the basic and advanced prosthetics. Interested? Well, be sure to subscribe on this channel para ma-notify din kayo kung meron na tayong prosthetics. Last one is body painting. Sawang-sawa ka na ba sa mga beauty makeup? Nauumay ka na ba sa beauty makeup? Well, then do the body painting. Enjoyable ito. Ito lalabas yung pagka-artistic side mo dahil napakalaki ng canvas mo dito, buong body. At marami kang matututunan dito tungkol sa mga colors and art. So better watch on this channel para matuto kayo magwali ng body painting. Maganda to. And now, of course, we have hair, the crowning glory. So meron tayo ditong hairstyling in which kasama dito ang tutorial for the hair setting, hair sectioning, at kung ano-ano pa. Dito rin ituturo ang tamang paggawa o paggamit ng mga hair rollers, benders, hot rollers, at marami pang iba. Dito kasama ang mga tutorial ng different kinds of hairdos, up style, and bridal hairstyle. So, very interesting, di ba? Kasi may bridal hairstyle na. Here, we also include the basic and advanced hair coloring tutorial. Hair extensions, kasama din yon. Hair treatments, yes, hair treatments on different hair or scalp treatment. Hair and scalp massage techniques, marami yan. Also the uses of different hair tools and equipments, napakarami nito. And at last, and perhaps hair cutting, so may basic cut to advanced haircut. Now balik tayo sa hairstyling. Kasama din dito ang tutorial sa paggawa ng different retro hairstyle like yung mga early 20s, 60s, 70s hanggang ngayon. Gagawin natin lahat yan. So marami yan. So dito kasama rin ang teasing, yung pagtitis ng buhok. Yan ang magandang matutunan ninyo kasi napaka-importante niya sa hairstyling. At ito pa, gagawa din tayo ng mga avant-garde na hairstyle. Yung mga uso ngayon ng mga out of this world na mga hairstyle, which is gamit na gamit ngayon nowadays. So, abangan nyo to at mag-subscribe kayo para mapanood nyo itong mga tutorial na to. So, punta naman tayo sa next na topic natin, which is yung skin. So, here in skin, you will learn how to do the basic to advanced facial techniques, the proper way of doing facial, like the basic facial cleansing, the organic facial, the fruit facial, and facial massages. Facial massages marami yan, from harmonization, knuckling, and etc. etc. Of course, learning the basic kinds of skin types, which are also important knowledge for the makeup artist in order to improve their craft. Pati na rin ang mga skin problems at mga quick solutions sa napakaraming skin problems. Dito rin ituturo sa inyo ang paggamit ng mga facial tools and equipments. Yung mga right way to do this and do that. You know, marami kasi mga ginagamit sa mga pang facial. And the last one is manicure. Ang mga basic manicure lang ito. Marami na kasing nauso na different kinds of manicure. That's why I included na rin dito ang manicure. So that's it for skin. So if you have skin problems na gusto nyo malagyan ng solusyon, well, better subscribe here in my channel para matutunan nyo kung paano, ano dapat yung gawin sa skin nyo. So, that's it. I hope you'll look forward for this upcoming videos. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell para na rin sa update kayo sa mga new videos ko dito. Thank you!